Hey stars, it's Shauna coming to you live from my living room. I just had my first virtual callback. What? It was crazy. Super fun. Amazing. So weird. Anyway, I wanted to take this moment to quickly reach out to you and let you know about our improvisation class coming up in a few weeks. So first of all, what you need to know is that Kelly, who is leading it, is thebomb.com. I don't think people even say that anymore, but she is that. She is amazing, you guys. So not only is she a triple threat, like true blue triple threat, she's been on Broadway, she's been on all your hit TV shows. She is an improv queen, and she belongs to this group called IMPROV, which is one of the very, very top top improv companies here in LA. And I'll tell you why is I just let the cat out of the bag. It's because they do improv musicals. What? It's mind-blowing. I know you can't see them now, but if you ever get a chance to see this group work, oh my goodness, they are so good. It is so good, you guys. So we are so fortunate that Kelly's gonna come play with us, and she's gonna incorporate your TV film stuff and your theater stuff because that's her jam, that's what she does. So in the class, you guys are gonna be working on your storytelling, expanding your storytelling. You're also gonna be working on creating characters. So those of you who have been in for Disney and Nickelodeon generals, you know that they want to see your stable of characters. So we're going to really work on that and how to take on character work from the tip of your head to the tips of your fingers all the way to your toes, and really embodying and embracing an entire character and transforming into that. The other thing she's going to be working on is something called CORE, which is character, objective, relationships, and environments. So you're going to get highly trained in that and how that makes a difference in everything you do, whether it's theater or TV and film. And then she's also going to talk a lot about listening and what that is. For those of you who have been doing casting director workshops during COVID, you know that the keys to the kingdom is listening and making your partner look good. How do you make your partner look good? So those are some of the things she's going to be working on. At the end, we're going to have a big showcase where your family, and we've got industry professionals that have agreed to watch and check it out, agents, managers, casting directors. So we're going to have a big showcase at the end in the style of a soap opera, which is super fun. I've done that exercise with Kelly before, and it's amazing. So it'll be a long form improv. This is not your average improv class, you guys. This is long form. It's a whole different enchilada. We're not going to be just playing theater games. You are actually going to end up with a product and really working as it's going to enhance your acting so much. I promise you, whether you're doing TV or film, this will make TV, film, or theater, this will make your acting so much stronger, which is why I wanted to bring it to you. So if you are interested in the class, I'm going to put the link somewhere down here. I don't know where I'm putting it, but it's basically on our website, The Star You Already Are. And then I think you either go to workshops/improv, or maybe it's just Star You Already Are /improv. And you can register there. We have two different age groups. We've got our tweens, and then we've got our full-blown tweens. Both will be doing showcases. Tweens are on Monday nights, and teens are on Saturdays. So I hope you join us. Please come have some fun with us. Enjoy. It's going to be amazing. I promise you, you will love her. You will love this class. It will blow your mind. So please register for that. And then we've also got an agent coming at the end of the month, but I'm going to talk more about that in another segment. So keep shining your beautiful lights. Stay safe, and I love you guys.